Hey y'all, it's Shannon. Okay, I'm gonna see if this works. I did a little mini Dollar Tree haul. So that being said, I'm hoping I can find my receipt in one of these bags, but I don't know what I did with it. Maybe I ate it. I don't know, y'all. Okay, if you don't know already, May 2nd at 6:01 a.m., I am the proud new Nana to Simon James at 9 pounds 9 ounces, y'all, and 21 1/4 inches long. He is gorgeous, a head full of hair. I don't guess any of our babies or our grandbabies are gonna have any blonde hair anymore. I think that's done. So that being said, let's get on to see what I got. Okay, I got 3 gift bags. Mother's Day is coming up. So I got 2 for each of the grandsons for their mama. And then I got 1 for mine. So yes, it's time to fill them bad boys up. Okay, then I always go in, and when I do, I'm always looking for the doggy treats, bones, what have you. So just to add to it, I really wasn't going to stop there, but I went in there for one thing, and when I come across that one thing, I'll tell you what it is. I got Nature's Corner Water Buffalo Rib Bone Dog Chews. There's 2 in a package. And then I got 2 of the mint flavored grain-free filled bones. And, okay, this is a bully flavor filled bone and a beef and cheese flavored filled bone for the dogs. Then I seen these guys and I thought, oh wow, I'm gonna have one, and I got one for Brittany. Salt Range Himalayan Pink Salt Lip Balm, moisturizing cherry and shea butter, soothing and hydrating, rich mix of vital nutrients, all best for you. And it's these guys right here. 2 come in the package. So I got 2 of them, 1 for Brittany and 1 for me. Okay. And I seen these and I thought of Bailey because of her nails. So, and it is a 5-pack of Glitter Brilliance. So some of them are the same colors and some are not. They're a little bit different. So those are for Bailey. I gotta keep them separate so I can make sure I have the little bag going. I got some Sesame Street baby lotion to keep here for the grandbabies. I ended up getting 3 of these. I'm gonna try them. I get gas real bad and it just sits there, especially if we eat out. If we have to eat out on the way home from work. So I try not to eat out that much anymore. You guys, I am a hot mess on sweating because I just got through walking 1.5 miles. I'm trying to get my my hikes in because we're fixing to really start getting, I'm trying to get ready to do the summit at Big Bend. But this here is Certified Plus, by Certified Plus, gas relief, and 36 chewable tablets in its mint flavor. So I ended up getting 3 of these. So much cheaper if they work than the Gas X at the stores, in the other stores. So expensive. Okay, I ended up getting, I guess I just got 1 of these guys. And it is a 6-pack glitter for Bailey also. I just thought they were neat. She just has to get her some little containers to put them in. But hey, what the heck, right? All right. Then we got Charms. It's by Charms. New fluffy stuffed watermelon cotton candy. Never tried, so I got another cotton candy. Maybe I can get the boys to do it with me when they get home this evening. Excuse me. Okay, I got the Cowtails Mini. This here, my mom likes these, so they are going to be a part of her Mother's Day bag. Sorry about that. I had to sneeze, and I didn't want you to hear that awful, terrible sneeze. Okay, I did a taste test on these, and they did have them, but they didn't have the strawberry, so I got 2 of the Sunbest fruit-filled biscuits, raisin and apples. Remember I told you they tasted like a Fig Newton, but crispy? Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. It might be because they were mowing at where I was hiking at. I don't know. These are new. I've never seen them before, but I'm always willing to try something new to add flavor to our meats or even our vegetables. So this is by Campbell's. Flavor Up Cooking Concentrate Savory Mushroom. I feel like I gotta sneeze. Hold on. Wow. You guys, I am so sorry. I just keep sneezing. Okay, and this one here is caramelized onion and burgundy wine flavor. And this one is rich garlic and herb. So, yeah. You guys, I'm going to try not to do this no more. So, I got 3 of those. All right, I've never seen these before, and I buy these all the time for the potato toppers. And, I'm so sorry. Okay, I can't. I'm sorry. And it's Concord Fresh Success. And this is a street taco seasoning. It says, wake up your fresh fruits and vegetables. No artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. So, yeah, I'm going to give this a whirl. Allergy season, y'all. Definitely. Okay, the other one I got is same thing, Concord Fresh Success, but it's Asian style stir fry seasoning mix. I'm trying to stop them. Okay, this is what I mainly went in there for because I didn't want to go all the way into town for them. And I'm just going to see what I can do on my Parmesan cheese. But it is by Golden Farms, and it's crispy onions. I needed... So I got 2 of these. I don't know if one will do it or not. It's a chicken dish I'm making tonight for supper. Okay. I got one of the puddings. This is, what is it? This is chocolate and vanilla. But mainly, they didn't have just chocolate. So, but this will be fine. I use this for baking. Some things that if a regular pudding won't work. So I use that. Okay, I did get some more of the cranberry orange Sunkist breakfast biscuits. I love those. No, I don't think I tried these. These are the ones that I tried right here. The sandwich, cranberry orange with dark chocolate. I did like these, so I got those. I will have to try these. So this here will definitely be a video coming up. And I've got 4 of them here. So I've got this one to try. This one here is by Sunbest Yogurt and Berry Biscuits. And then this one here is Breakfast Sandwich. So Bisque is by who it's by, I guess. Peanut butter. And then this one here is also by Sobisque, Breakfast Cinnamon and Brown Sugar Biscuits. So yes, these are going to be videos, y'all. Videos. Okay, so that was my mini haul from Dollar Tree. And my grand total on this was $47, y'all. Yeah, wasn't a lot for 47 bucks, but $47. I don't know what I did with my receipt. I just had it too. Because I'm just losing my... Oh, no. Here it is. Right here. I found it. It was $47.90, the total. So, yeah. Let me know. Have y'all been to your Dollar Tree lately? Have you guys tried any of the stuff that I have on here? What about the Campbell's? I'm so... curiosity, So, hey. But until the next video, y'all take care. God bless and peace. Bye.